back to today's wider hips workout video to help reduce your hip dips. If you have a hip dip, definitely you should follow this routine. It's a follow along video and you will be needing this resistant band for this routine. We're going to be targeting the TFL muscle, the glutes, medius, the minimus, and then the maximus in this routine. That's how you get a rounded looking bulk, not just the hip muscle you want to work all the time. You want to target all the angles and the tiny little muscle connected together for them to really smoothen out. Be sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel if you're new here on the channel, and turn on the post notification so you don't miss a video from me. And of course, I'm going to link this band in the description box and all the resources I use to perform my glutes workout, the ones on Amazon and all that. Go check it out. Let's get started with this workout. So guys, that's where we're concluding it for today's workout. Don't forget to check out my 31 days flat and curve challenge, which is a program I designed to help reduce your belly fat while you're trying to grow your hip muscle and your booty muscle at the same time. So it takes you step by step, every bit of what you need to do, and then you have your meal and eating pattern, a training guide, and even your daily workout routine, and you have rest days as well. So you have a booty training, a HIIT workout, an ab training to help you burn off the excess fat on the ab while you're trying to grow your hip muscle. Go check it out. I'll leave the link in the description box for you to join. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to the channel if you're new here on the channel, and turn on the post notifications so you don't miss a video from me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.